I want to jump to an example of age debtors. No, not age debtors, sorry. Yeah, age debtors. Okay. So this is what you can see on the screen here is your age debtors and then the general ledger movement per customer. Now, the power of Power BI is the way that we can literally go, okay, I'm going to select these months. So I can dynamically change the months, and then I'm going to drill into, for example, Emma Newland. And you see how the different visuals are interacting with each other. So that's actually drilled down to the general ledger movement of Emma Newland. Now that's really, really important here, like how useful Power BI is when you can you have a report that is interactive and it's set. I mean, it's not changing all the time. So I think that's really powerful to be able to interact and build something that lots of people can continue to come back to, and the data continues to update. It's very useful.